Hello, dear students. Let's continue chapter number 15, Communication and Mass Media of 5th standard. This is our second part. In the last part, we learn what is communication and means of communication. Today, very first topic is advantages of telecommunication and mass media. First advantage is we can easily contact people far away from us. For example, one can speak with the person who is sitting in other countries with the help of Skype video call or by means of phone or by means of chatting with them by various social media sites like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram. By this means, one can easily contact the person which is far away from them. Second advantage is the time and effort spent in exchanging information can be saved. It means earlier there was a pigeon who used to deliver message to the person who is far away from them, and also people used to write the letter to the person whom they want to talk. So there was so much wastage of time and efforts. But nowadays, for exchanging some information, telecommunication and mass media has made it possible to exchange the information within a second. Hence, the time and also the effort spent in exchanging information is very much saved. Next advantage is they means telecommunication and mass media help to raise awareness about issues such as environmental balance, gender equality and cleanliness. One can know that how to conserve the environment by not cutting the trees, by growing new plants. One can also know that girls and boys both are equal, or female and male are equal, and also there is so much importance of cleanliness. If cleanliness is not there, there will be lot of diseases taking place. So, how come you know all these things? You know all these things because of the telecommunication and mass media. So you can raise the awareness about these issues like environmental balance, gender equality and cleanliness by the means of telecommunication and mass media. Next advantage is people can be forewarned about natural disasters like storms, tsunamis, floods, etc. We can warn the people about the forthcoming cyclone or earthquake or anything, any natural disaster by the help of artificial satellites which is present in the space. Through the signals we come to know whether the cyclone is going to come. Is it going to rain? Is it going to earthquake in country or somewhere else? Means one can know first only that what natural disaster is going to take place. For example, before some days cyclone took place, and we understand because we saw it on television. So people can be pre-warned or forewarned about natural disasters like storms, tsunamis, floods, etc. Also, the awareness about the health, education, educational facilities, good things happening in society can be aware by the means of telecommunication and mass media. Next advantage is this telecommunication and mass media help in successful implementation of government schemes launched for the benefit of people. There are many schemes by government which are launched, but it does not reaches to the normal people. So telecommunication and mass media has made it easy for the successful implementation of government schemes which is launched for the benefit for the people. Hence, everyone comes to know about these schemes which is launched by the government for the benefit of the people. Next advantage is awareness can be raised about matters related to food, clothes, shelter, education, and health. This improves people's way of life. So, there are many types of awareness which can be spread through the telecommunication and mass media. Mass media helps in expansion of trade and industry. So, children, how one can grow their business or how one can expand trade and industries? People can put the advertisement on television or any social media platforms by which they can expand the trade and industry, and they can get more benefit with the help of mass media. I hope you are clear with the topic advantages of telecommunication and mass media. Let's discuss about some more uses of telecommunication and mass media. Recently now current pandemic which is going on about the COVID-19 or coronavirus. Now you know on the television there are so many advertisements that are showing where they are showing wash your hands with the sanitizers, or you should keep everything clean, wear masks, keep social distancing. How we all came to know about this, that if you follow these rules then the COVID-19 or coronavirus will not affect us? It's only because they put it on the television or through radio or any other means of communication. Besides this, there are so many uses, means there are so many educational uses of mass media are there. The programs telecast on television and radio spreads information related to agriculture, trade, commerce, sports, literature, tourism, environment, etc. This information helps in detailed study of variety of topics. Computer and internet easily provide audio visual information about many issues related to education. Radio and newspaper help in spreading educational information even in the remote region of the country. Disadvantages of telecommunication and mass media. There are many disadvantages of the telecommunication and mass media as well. Excessive or more use of the television, computer, or mobile phones causes disorder of the eyes, ears, and back. There may be many psychological disorders by watching more computer and mobile phones. One can undergo self-isolation by the means of telecommunication and mass media. Here, self-isolation means separating oneself or itself from others. We get all types of information through TV channels and the internet. Hence, it is very much misuse. Like, we get so much knowledge and information about computer from the internet. So, number of hackers are increased. Hence, by this way, information available on TV channels and internet can be misused to disturb the peace and the harmony in the society. Next disadvantage is that nowadays children are spending more time to watch TV instead of playing outdoor games. This time more and more time they are watching TV and they does not pay attention on this their physical health. They are destroying physical health and also at the same time they are becoming lazy. So instead of watching TV or playing games on mobile phones, children play the outdoor games. So they they can become physically fit. So this is the one of the disadvantage of telecommunication. What's the solution? When Amod, who is in the 5th standard, comes home after school, he visits several websites on his computer. He never misses his favorite TV shows. He plays games on his mother's mobile phone all the time. He is always sitting at home. Lately, his appetite has decreased. Appetite means desire of food is decreased. He is drowsy, feeling sleepy, and has put on weight. Amod's mother is worried about him. When will she feel better? Same story is about you, no children? So, what we can do? Amod's mother will feel better when she will follow the following remedies. What she have to do? See. Allow Amos to use computer, TV and mobile only for 1 or 2 hours in a day, explaining him the disadvantage of their overuse. Encouraging Amos for swimming, jogging, cycling and other outdoor sports. Planning and following a proper diet plan for Amos. Also, what she can do, keeping control over the increasing weight and drowsiness of Amod by keeping him busy in activities like watering the plants, cleaning the bicycle, etc. Always remember children, telecommunication device should be used properly and sensibly. We must be careful not to use them excessively. So, what we learn from this lesson? Introduction to the means of communication. Use of space launch technology for telecommunication. Introduction to mass media. Advantages and disadvantages of the use of mass media. Thank you children.